Hey everyone, welcome back again. We have already registered our accounts in our Black Hat Commando. So today we'll be seeing how to explore or how to walk through the platform. What are the options we have? Okay. So I'm taking a trial version student account. Okay. So I'll be briefly explaining you. So once I am giving my email ID and password, just clicking on login. So it will be sending me a code in my mobile that I'm going to enter through Google Authenticator from my mobile. Okay. So once I click verify, I'll be having a dashboard. Okay. Which what dashboard it is? It is a student dashboard. So in this dashboard, you will be having all the access which you are having inside your platform. So total recorded courses you will be having two. That means in case you are a premium customer, you will be having the count will be 0 to 1 or 2 or 3 or something. Okay. So if a student is enrolled for a live class, so he'll be having a live class count. Okay. If your students are enrolled for labs, those count will be increased here. So let's see here, there is a student has already enrolled for the email security and SOC analyst full course. Okay. So, and also he has already enrolled for the labs. So let's come to this later. But before that, we'll be exploring the platform from scratch. Okay. So now this is the home page where we can talk about everything about Black Hat Commando. So this is all about Black Hat Commando. You can directly start your journey from here itself. It will take to the courses page and it will take to the free labs. Okay. And I'll talk about free labs also. Let me explain this page. So what kind of path is right for you? For example, if you are taking recording classes or if you're taking live batches or if you're taking one-on-one sessions, so you can view each and everything like what are the comparison between three types of courses, like three types of things what we are having inside this platform. So when we click on view full comparison, so it will be taking another page where it will suggest us to check what kind of features we are providing in this platform. So for recording, some of the features are disabled, and for live batch, only one or two are disabled. But for one-on-one sessions, it will be access for fully. Okay. So one-on-one is nothing but a private tuitions. Okay. So let us navigate to the homepage again, and you can directly see cybersecurity training is for free today. That means we are giving free labs to explore yourself. Okay. So inside our SOC training, we are going to provide you SOC labs like investigations, alerts, how to manage all those things here. Okay. So these are the courses where we have seen in our platform. And quickly, I'm showing about the about page. It's just blah blah blah, and this is the courses pages where you can purchase your courses. So it is having courses which you have already enrolled. So let's see, email security is already enrolled. So I can directly click on start learning. So once I click on start learning, so it will be opening to the page where I have. Having the course related details. Okay, so here the video will be displayed. You can directly uh, check for the picture in picture playback speed. You can control, and you can control for the full screen, or you can
Hello,
control
students.
for the uh, volume also. Apart from that, we are having modules like uh, videos, and if you are having any kind of quizzes assignments, those will be assigned here for you. Okay. And if you're already enrolled, so you can check for the course resources like notes and all, and progress like how much course progress you have completed. If it is a live class, you can directly access your attendance also from here itself. So you can directly give your feedback from this page itself. Okay. So this is how you can learn directly the lectures from the recording course here itself. So now coming to the live batches. So if you enroll any kind of live batches, those will be shown here, and live classes, the live recording will be uploaded in this platform. You can directly access from here. And coming to the private session, you need to give your full details like name, email address, mobile number, and so blah 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 things. You need to give what time you are preferred to take the classes. Okay, so that time we'll be assigning you a tutor or a personal tutor who will be assisting you from scratch if you don't know what is what. Okay, so our tutors will teach from scratch. From if you don't have any knowledge in the cyber security, our tutor will be teach from 0 to 100%. So you can ask your doubts, uh, whatever you are having doubts, like for example, sir, what is cyber, what is security, what is the difference? So you can directly ask him in the class. Okay, like that we'll be giving you training from scratch for anyone, but this is a bit costlier. But as compared to batches, so some people were shy to ask the classes, shy to ask the doubts or any kind of things inside a group of members. So those kind of people will opt for personal trainings. Okay. So this is the thing what we wanted to tell in the one-on-one sessions. And coming to the labs, so these are the free labs. You can directly click on start now. So you can explore the free labs from here itself. So I don't want to explain those things. You can directly access. And coming to the premium labs, we'll be having lifetime access for this premium labs. You don't need to subscribe again and again. Okay. And let me show another way to access these labs. Okay, so you can directly purchase from here itself. For example, I wanted to take this course, so this is already I'm having the access. So let me try to access another one. So vulnerability, so this is I don't have access. Okay, I haven't purchased. So if I click on buy now, so it will ask the payment system and you can directly give the details and all. Okay, so now from here we'll be having single sign-on from the user icon. So once you have clicked here, you'll be going to another page where you can directly access the labs without signing again and again. Okay. So this is what I'm having the labs. For example, if I wanted to take the lab of endpoint security. So let's take the app lab. So we'll be having endpoint security lab. So although I'm already, I'll be going to explain what is endpoint security and all in the upcoming further sessions. So as of now, how the labs look like, how the threats look like, how the endpoints or incidents or alerts, reports, policies, quarantine files, IOC management, EDR health, audit logs. So these all are things we are going to teach here. So you don't need to worry. So you just need to subscribe our EDR lab and you can directly learn from us. So I'll be posting those sessions inside the platform or YouTube itself. You can directly learn from itself. So again, we'll check for another lab, and this is firewall. Okay, so this is our firewall simulator where you can directly access how the firewall works. Okay, so we can check the currently the firewall is started running. When we have start the lab, the firewall automatically start running inside the browser itself. So you don't need to start, stop from command line or something else. Okay, so you can see the traffic is started and we need to check what kind of rules are enabled. For example, if you wanted to block any kind of traffic on any port or protocol, you can directly block from here itself, even the IPs also. Okay. So the traffic, you can see directly what kind of traffic is going here. And coming to the logs, you can check each and every log, how it is going. And coming to the security, you can block geolocation, even IPS, IDS, if you kept active, those will be added. So the alarms will be raised. So the alarms will be raised here. Okay, you can block URLs, domains, hashes, files, etc. etc. Okay, this is a kind of next generation firewall. And now we are having alerts. So what kind of alerts? Access to alert, DDoS alert, port scan detected alert. So these kind of alerts we are generating from through IPS, IDS, and firewall. So although the rules has been updated and the firewall is started running, so you can directly click the things from here itself, and you can check from the logs and you can take action against them. Okay, so high availability and reports and so blah 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 things are set up here itself. Okay, so let's go for another lab, email security lab. So where we are having a number of labs, the emails got picked as risk kind of things. We need to verify from here the what kind of data it was. So you can directly check the analysis, like how an email security analyst will do. So fully 100% knowledge we have given from these labs here itself. You don't need to depend on uh, real-time tools itself. It is a real-time tool, but it is kind of a slightly uh, simulation tool. Okay, so all our labs looks like this, and we have given 100% efforts to make all the students to learn things from beginner to advanced. Okay, so if you are a student, you wanted to learn like what is happening in the world, like real time attacks were. So we have given free cyber bulletins every week and every month. We are providing all these things. You can directly learn those things and you can crack the interviews. In an interview, for example, if an interview asked, what is the latest attacks happened in our India or in the worldwide? So that time you don't need to think of it. If you are learning cyber bulletins from here itself, it is free of cost. We are not charging anything from you. Okay, so you can directly answer those kind of questions. Okay, in the interviews. So when we click on verify, so we are having a certificate verification things, and okay, so those who have already certified, okay, those things will be provided here, and we will be providing digital certificate to you inside your profile. It will be opening. So for example, this is your profile and you can manage so any kind of orders, or you can directly change the password. This is your dashboard, already I have explained. So you will be receiving demo sessions related, jobs related, and so things will be posting here. And if we have assigned any kind of exams after completion of your course, will be assigning an exam. Okay, and coming to the certifications, so the milestones you have reached, you will be getting badges, and you have completed the course, you will be receiving the certificates from us. Okay, those certificates are valid for the uh, jobs and all. You can place it in your LinkedIn or resumes itself. So coming to the tasks and alerts. So as a we are having a number of labs. Each lab we are having what to do, how to do. Those entire details we have kept here. It's you just need to read this type of document. You need to perform the labs. Okay. Also, these are the lab related things, and I just wanted to add alerts. So as a security analyst, we will be getting alerts. So creation of suspicious AWS key was created in some tool. How to investigate. So the investigation procedure. For example, IAM role. This is related to cloud related. Okay. So for example, firewall related. Multiple connections attempted. How to react. Outbound connections, unknown IP. How to react. So the investigation procedure has been given to you freely, but you need to register the account here itself. Okay. And also, I have already explained single sign-on labs for accessing the labs without signing again. And the logout button, you can directly log out itself. Okay. So now the thing is, again, we'll be accessing the labs from here itself also, and courses also. So here the thing which was I have. So you need to study about privacy policy. Okay. And the most thing most people won't study about this thing, that your account should not be inactive within 90 days, 60 to 90 days. Then your courses will be going to hold. Okay. I guess you understand what I'm said, and you can directly read these terms and policies and privacy policies from our website itself. So the interesting thing that I wanted to explain right now is jobs. So you can find out those jobs. So if any kind of job we have posted here, those will be showing here, because we will be giving reference to our students who wants to join as a cybersecurity engineer in the market. So we always push our students to apply these jobs, try to give you an attempt to understand how the real world looks like, or how to get to know how the things are process has been going in the market. So this is all about Black Hat Commando portal, where you can learn such things like courses, you can perform labs, you can read uh, cyber bulletins, you can apply jobs, you can study about the alerts through tasks and management, and you can verify your certificates. So if you are having any kind of doubts, you can raise a contact form, or you can directly contact through email, or you can directly message us through this WhatsApp number. Okay. So you can join our LinkedIn, WhatsApp, and YouTube and Telegram channels. Okay. So this is what we wanted to explain you today. You can, I guess, these all are the things I wanted to explain. So this is all about today's session, how to explore the Black Hat Commando platform. So anyone having any doubts, you can directly ask me in the uh, comment section. Okay. So thank you once again for watching. Please make sure subscribe, share, and comment us. Okay. Signing off, Black Hat Commando.